welcome to another video. It's your girl Miriam. So today we're going to be doing flexi rods. This is a tutorial on how I do my flexi rod set. So we're going to start off with detangled hair that was stretched. I had stretched my hair using the African threading method. So now we are just going to make sure that we start with that section. Make sure that your hair is thoroughly detangled, conditioned, and make sure that it is also sealed with an oil. So we're just going to start with that section there. I'm going to spray a bit of water to make sure that I moisturize, and I'll be using mousse. So mostly I use leave-in conditioner to do my flexi rod, but today I wanted to try the mousse and see how the results are going to be. So this is how I do my flexi rod. Once I get a section that I need, I roll the hair at the roots and then I just wrap it around the flexi rod. Once I reach the end, I just bend the flexi rod to secure it, and then I'm good. So let's do that once again. Make sure that you grab a section that is manageable, spritz some water on it, condition, seal in with an oil, and then you're going to either use leave-in conditioner, mousse, or a curling cream. But for this video I'm using mousse. So I was using like 2 pumps of the mousse on the hair, and then I'll wrap it around the flexi rod. And as you're wrapping, make sure that you don't wrap so tightly at the roots because that might break your hair. So just make sure that you are gentle on your scalp. So just roll it at the roots, roll your hair at the roots, and then wrap it around the flexi rod like that. Once you reach the end, fold it like that, and then you are good. So I'll just let you watch how I was doing it. I'm sure it's very visible and it's self-explanatory. You can see how I was doing the flexi rod set. Okay, so I am done, and this is how my hair is looking so far. Everything is in place, and then I'm just going to let this air dry overnight. So I do not sit under a hooded dryer or use a blow dryer. I just let it sit overnight for it to air dry. So this is the next morning. I'm just going to take down the flexi rods before we can start separating the curls. So I'm just going to take down the flexi rods in the opposite direction that I installed it. I hope that makes sense. So I'm taking them down in the opposite direction that I had installed them, like you can see in the video. Okay, so I'm just going to continue taking those flexi rods out. And in case you're planning to do this style, please make sure that you do it in the morning, so that by the time you're going to bed, you would have removed those flexi rods, because trust me, the struggle was real. I couldn't sleep comfortably because of these things that were in my hair. So make sure you do it in the morning, so that by the time you're going to bed, you take them down. So far the curls are looking good before we even separate them. So I'm guessing the mousse did a good job than what I expected actually. So we'll start separating the curls. Make sure that you use some oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in my arms to make sure that I don't cause a lot of frizz as I separate the curls. So there's no procedure actually, you just go by what you feel in your arms. Once you hold a particular section, just feel it, it will tell you where you're supposed to separate, or you'll be able to feel where you're supposed to separate. So continue separating those curls, and I kind of love how they looked. They look like wand curls. I wanted them a little bit loose and not so tight. So I'm going to let you watch this process as I was separating. Okay, so I think that's the last section that we're separating, and like you can see, my hair looks pretty. I look pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to use that bobby pin to make sure that I separate that hair so that you can see that there is a section there. Oh, anyway, a side part. Yeah, so this is how my hair looks after separating it. I actually did not even use an afro or a comb to pick out my hair. I just let it like this. I picked it out on the 3rd or the 4th day, but like for the first 2 days I wore it out like this, and I really loved how my hair turned out, how it was looking. So yeah, in case you loved this video, make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.